Increasing the number of hotels, resort town infrastructure development, improving the allure of a cruise destination. Those are the major plans of the tourism sector for the fiscal year 2017-2018.
Tourism remains one of the few labor-intensive sectors that directly employs over 106,000 Jamaicans, while generating indirect jobs for another 250,000, 1 in every 4 Jamaicans.
For 2017, in excess of 1,000 new rooms are coming on stream. New developments include Azul Beach Resort, the Hideaway at Royalton and Royalton Negril Resort and Spa, Sandals Royal Caribbean Over-the-Water Villas, Breathless Resort and Spa, Spanish Court 2, and the R Hotel.
On top of these developments, investment flowing into the attraction subsector includes, among others, a $7 million US capital injection into the Appleton Estate Rum Tour in St. Elizabeth by Ryan Neville.
$286 million will be spent as part of efforts to renew and improve the visitor experience in Ochiria St. Anne. Of that amount, $102 million is earmarked for the redevelopment of the promenade from the marina to the parking lot at Ocheria's Bay Beach. $184.7 million will be spent to revitalize Main Street from Turtle River Road to the Ocean Village Shopping Center. Meanwhile, work on a $1 billion transformational project continues in earnest in Falmouth, Trelawney. Under the National Beach Development Program, 12 beach parks are currently under renovation. In addition, the Ministries of Tourism and Transport are finalizing an agreement for the upgrading of the Lionel Densham Aerodrome in St. Elizabeth, an essential part of the plan to position the South Coast as a premier visitor destination. As work continues to improve Jamaica's cruise appeal, the Port Authority is transforming Kingston's port into a world-class multi-purpose point of entry. The Reynolds Pier in Ochiria is being similarly renovated at a cost of $230 million. Several projects aimed at transforming Falmouth into a premier cruise destination should be completed in 2018.
Jamaica has more attractions, more to offer the cruise passenger than any other destination in the Americas at this time.
In line with government's new policy to centralize more state resources, money from the Tourism Enhancement Fund will be placed in the Consolidated Fund. But the minister says the sector will not be deprived of necessary funding.
I want to give you every assurance that money from the fund will only be used for tourism-related expenditure as approved by the Tourism Enhancement Board.
The Tourism Linkages Hub will this financial year roll out projects under its 5 networks. The Gastronomy Network will be launching Devon House as Jamaica's first gastronomy center and will host the Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee Festival in March 2018. The Sports and Entertainment Network is currently rolling out several innovative ventures, such as a Top 10 Events initiative. The Health and Wellness Network will support the development of nutraceuticals and undertake a research and inventory mapping of existing resources in the sector. The Shopping Network will focus on positioning Jamaica as a major duty-free shopping destination by identifying designated shopping areas, among other initiatives. And the Knowledge Network will develop a central information repository and an online tourism knowledge portal. In recognition of 2017 as the International Year of Sustainable Tourism for Development, Jamaica, through the Ministry of Tourism, will be hosting a major tourism conference. The Ministry of Tourism remains firmly on track to achieving or even surpassing some of the benchmarks under its 5 in 5 in 5 growth plan. The projects planned for this year will help make that happen.